Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm an auxiliar in the community of Madrid, and I'm here to help you figure out your paperwork. So I'll be making this video today about the TA process. So getting your appointment, filling out paperwork, and yeah, a lot of different stuff. Let's get started. What is your TA? The TA is super important. The TIE, it's the Tarjeta de Identidad Extranjero. It is a document, much like a just identity card, that permits you to live in Spain for the duration of your appointment. So when I say appointment, I mean the position that you're in. You can renew this document while you are in Spain. You don't have to go back home, get a new student visa. It's much easier to do it while you're still in Spain. Just remember, your student visa is only valid for 90 days after its start date. So super important to get this. You should be applying for the TA in your first 30 days of arriving in Spain. You won't necessarily be able to get the TA in those first 30 days. So just try to get an appointment and collect all the documentation you need to do so. Okay, let's get started. Speaking of doing an appointment, let's do that. We're going to go to this link right up here. I will put this link in the description as well as in supporting documentation, so you will never be without it. I'm going to fill this out as if I am an applicant in Madrid. So this is not just Madrid the city, this is Madrid the region. So do keep that in mind. So for provinces, we're going to choose Madrid. Right, and accept. Next, you get all this information about the offices of Extranjería in Madrid. Right, this is how you solicit an appointment. You can read that if you like, but we're going to go here. Oficina, choose whichever office. The process for which you are soliciting an appointment. I'm going to go down to Trámites Cuerpo Nacional de Policía and choose Policía Toma de Huella Expedición de Tarjeta. So it should look like this. You accept. You have another page that tells you basically the requirements of the appointment and things that you have to keep in mind. You enter. And then you get this page. Your NIE is your Número de Identidad Extranjero. This is issued to you on your student visa. You should see it in your student visa page on your passport. However, some people don't have that issued once they get their student visa, and they have to come here to have it issued. No worries, just use your passport number in the meantime. If you have NIE number, obviously use it. So you're going to put your personal information. So for country of nationality, I personally am American. Maybe you're American, maybe not. Regardless, if you are from the US, you're going to find EEUU, Estados Unidos. It will be in the E's, so it should look something like this with your information. Okay. Now you're going to choose Solicitar Cita. You're going to choose an office, can be anywhere. I'm going to choose Alcalá de Henares, for example. Okay, you have to have a Spanish telephone number to put in. You click next, siguiente, and you're shown a calendar with available dates and available time slots. Sometimes you will not be able to make an appointment. If it says no hay citas disponibles, that's normal. It happens all the time. Don't worry about it, okay? So in this case, the last available date is October. The first available date is Monday the 3rd. I'm going to choose, just for example, this time slot at 1:50 p.m. This pops up. It says, aviso de cita previa. Va a reservar la cita seleccionada. ¿Está usted seguro? Are you sure? And yes, I am sure. It then takes you to a page that shows you the details of the appointment. This is not a confirmation page. Make sure all the information here is correct. So your identifying information, your NIE and or passport number and your name, your telephone number, your email, the address of the office, when the date is, it will be day, month, year. Okay, so it's not April 10th. This one is for October 4th, right? The time of the appointment is 1:50 if you're not used to military time, and they might give you a table number. So the table that you have to go to at that office to be served. At otros datos, estoy conforme con la información mostrada en pantalla. I agree with all the information in the screen. It is correct. Deseo recibir un correo electrónico con los datos de mi cita en la dirección que he proporcionado. So this one is, I would like to receive the appointment details through an email that I provided. If the information shown is correct, please say confirm. If it's not correct, you have to go back and start this process all over again. So we're going to confirm. Okay. And this is the last thing that you will see. It is the cita confirmada y grabada, fin del proceso. Okay, so this is the end. This is confirmed. You get a justificante number here. Keep that in mind. You will need that to go to the appointment, and it will also serve as your justificante for school if they need to know, like, when do you have the appointment, all of that. You can print this page out here. It gives you a PDF thing that you can actually print out and take to the appointment itself. You will need to show an appointment confirmation to be able to get to your appointment, okay? So that is it. Next, we're going to go over how to fill out the form for the TA. See you in a bit.